Our new focus pads have been improved. Let me show you this improvement. Firstly, you'll notice that these come in a bag. Now these are for you to keep them in so that they can dry and you can just hang this out. This is really good for washing your hand wraps in so it doesn't get tangled up with the rest of your washing. So don't throw this away. Inside of this, you'll see that there's a plastic bag. This is just to keep things dry during transport. There's no need for you to keep these, so just remove this. Once this has been removed, we can get to the improvement that we've made. You can see here, if you look very closely, that this has a very slight curve on this edge now. The pad now has a slightly more absorbent front here. Instead of being hard, this then allows you to absorb a little bit more shock. But the thing that most people will enjoy about this most is it actually leads to you getting a better crack sound off the punches. So for those that want to be able to punch really well and make a great noise on their pads, this feature is going to facilitate that noise. Inside of the pad, the ball that is here has now been made a little bit flatter, so it's easier for you to get your hand on in this position. The pad here as well remains, and that's nice and soft there, but this remains here to make sure that you keep your wrist nice and straight. Don't forget the airing bag that you can use to keep these to let the air flow over them so that they dry out.